Hey everyone, my name is Peter and I'm the creator of WrapAPI. WrapAPI makes building APIs on existing websites to extract data or to automate processes a piece of cake. You can build APIs either with our online browser-like builder or by getting our Chrome extension. Today, I'll use the first method to build an API on top of Reddit. Reddit actually has a great official API, so this is just for a demonstration. We start by entering the URL and clicking the Run button to save this as a test run. The page will appear just like in a normal browser. We'll begin by selecting the element contained in each post. If we select just the first two, WrapAPI will guess that we want all the articles, and we can verify that we're getting all of them by the 25 on the right. Within each element, we'll then create 3 child outputs, one each for the title, link, and comments. WrapAPI supports multiple types of outputs, as you can see here, including CSS selectors, regular expressions, JSON selectors, headers, and cookie outputs. Used together, these can extract exactly what you need from the page, wherever it might be found. In this case, we'll use a CSS selector. We'll first create one for the title, and then another for the link, just using the href link attribute. And then for the comments. When we clicked on the number of comments, we initially got some other elements. We'll click on them to exclude them. We're also only interested in the number of comments, so we'll select Extract the Number to just get the number. Now, if we switch to the preview pane, we see most of the data we need, but the title is blank. It seems like we've selected the wrong element, so let's just go back and try again. What we'll do is right-click on the element that we originally selected to hide it, and then click on the one behind it. Now, if we switch back, it looks like everything's good. What if we need to get the next page? With WrapAPI, it's easy to add a parameter input that lets you change the URL we're visiting. In Reddit's case, we see that going to the next page adds count and after to the URL's query string. So let's add these as input parameters using double curly brackets. While we're at it, let's make it so that we can get data from other subreddits too. We'll make the count and after inputs also optional, since the first page doesn't need them. Now, let's run the test again with our new parameters. We also need to extract these from the next link on the page, so we can add some outputs. First, let's add a CSS output on the link. And then we'll use our regular expression output for each of the count, and the after query strings. Now, if we go to the Preview tab and scroll down, we see that we're getting these values in the output. Let's do another test run with these new inputs to verify that it runs just as before. Here we can see that now we have the second page and the second page's results. And there we go. We're done building the API. All that's left to do is to name and save it. And then, once we've saved it, publish a frozen version. We can now use the endpoint as easily as making a single HTTP request. Thanks for watching. We hope you dive in and try out the features of WrapAPI for yourself. And for more advanced uses, we recommend downloading the WrapAPI Chrome extension. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at peter@wrapapi.com.